Hey beauty babes, I'm back with another video. Today we are installing a Amazon wig from Akonsoul. I had already kind of put it down a little bit last night, but I wanted to record a video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into the video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, what you trusted, I mean I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and him, I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, but you on a plane, taking your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh.
Hey, what's that? Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
look at that.
He's out of
Look at that. So this is the wig that I just tinted, basically. I love it. I just need to glue it down a little bit. Tint it a little more on the side here. You can see it. I'm all about the natural though. So I think I can even kind of cut it back a little bit. So I don't think I did the middle part right. I wonder if I just have a big forehead. Tinted it a little bit more. And yeah, I can't see a thing, guys, so please don't mind my ugly, crusty face. I'm trying to get ready for work. But it's looking good. I think I'm just going to kind of chop it up with the sides and, you know, make it look cute. I have enough time to put I'm still a little like that. I messed up the front a little bit, but it's okay. If anybody's looking that close, then I have a problem. They have a problem, but yeah, if you're looking that close, you need to be fake. Anyway, just trying to get these clips that are supposed to be clips in my hair. I think I need to tighten it again.
Girl, take when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of it. Call your up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. I don't want to pounds with the shit, baby. I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like to count the state of baby, you wanna say my name. Say my name, say my name, say my name.
Hey guys, I have to go, so we're gonna wrap this up. Oh god, this is a glueless wig. I forgot who well, I'll put all their information in below, but if I can get Akonsoul 26 inches. So I just straightened it. I'm gonna put a headband because, yeah, I get oily when I do lash extensions, but let's show the final lay down here. Closer. So, as you can see, I do need to wipe off my face a little bit here. Mom's gotta go. I have a client. I definitely need to get some control on my gluing. But this looks really good for my first like little frontal area. I left some of my baby hair out. I don't like how this glue kind of like shrugs up a little bit, but I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, but definitely comment and give me some tips because I'm normally a braid girly, so this is very new to me and I'm willing to try new things. So yeah, and that gives me more content to do for you guys. So zoom out. This is JB signing out. I need to do a little like sign out intro in my YouTubes, but yeah. Shout out to Akonsoul for the little grab and go wig. You can find them on Amazon. You can find it in my Amazon storefront. How about that? Even easier for you to get to. There'll be the link in my bio. What do you guys think about this headband? I think I should just leave it. I'm gonna work on getting a hot comb for sure, but see you.
Every second, every